Today we will learn how to provide glowing effect using Photoshop. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Photoshop CC with Bronze Graphics. I download this picture from Pixel website. At first, unlock this layer. Go to select to color range. Okay. Select a color. Okay. Now select another color. Okay. Okay. Press Ctrl plus J. I rename it as a light. Okay. Right click to convert to smart object. Change the blend mode as a linear to just add. Okay. Press Ctrl plus G to make a group, and I rename this group name as a glow. Okay. Select the light layer and go to filter, blur to cushion blur. Wow. Uh, you can adjust the radius size as your picture demand. Okay, and I think for me 30 radius 30 pixel radius is okay. Okay, press Ctrl plus J to duplicate this light layer again. Okay, and double click on cushion blur, and this time radius will be 100 or 150 is better, I think. Okay, you can multiply this layer. I just decrease the opacity little bit. Okay, you can make more layers if you want. Okay, but I want to provide a dark background, so I go to curve from adjustment panel. If you didn't find adjustment panel here, go to window to adjustment. Okay, decrease the brightness. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, it's okay. I wanna add a hue and saturation. You also find hue and saturation from here. Okay, make it clipping marks to group. Okay, saturation will be 100%, and I want to provide a orange color fill, so I think it's okay. Okay, wanna add a light reflecting effect on lips, so I go to solid color and pick a color, double F double line double O. Okay, okay, change the blend mode as a soft light and press Ctrl plus I to invert. Okay, okay, go to brush tool, make sure your foreground color is white and reduce the opacity as a 12. I want to increase it, so I think 15 will be okay. I think that my picture is not clear. Okay, duplicate this background layer and select the whole layer holding shift and make it group by pressing Ctrl plus G and rename the group name as a result, and duplicate this again by pressing Ctrl plus J, and I take it for backup maybe. Okay, I now select the copy layer and press Ctrl plus E. Okay, go to filter to camera raw filter for reduce the highlight of my flower, and I want to increase the clarity. Okay, okay, decrease the highlight, shadow, increase little bit. Okay, I think I wanna increase some highlights. Okay, it's more, so yeah, I think it's okay. Okay, okay. You can adjust it as your design demand. So I think okay, okay. So it's our third. It's our first design. It's the second one, and it's the third one. So hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you leave a comment if you have any question. Follow me on social media. I upload interesting design using Photoshop and Illustrator. Thank you so much.